Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 2, The Big Debate, we will be covering the section of grammar in which we will learn about connectors for place. So, open up page number 34 and let's get started. First of all, let us see what are connectors for place. Connectors for place are used to indicate the relationship between places and things in a sentence. Connectors for place are where and wherever. The word where can be used to refer back to a noun in the main clause, and the word wherever can be used to emphasize to show interest. Ayan and Samir are discussing a place where they can find information and material about debating. You may take a moment and pause the video, read the dialogues carefully for the better understanding of connectors for place. Once you are done reading, let's come to an activity. Write 4 sentences using connectors for place on a loose sheet. I have made 2 sentences for you. The first one is I visited my old neighborhood where I have the best memories. In this sentence, you can see that where is referring back to the old neighborhood where he had the best memories. Let's come to the second sentence, which is the police are certain to get him in the end wherever he may go. Here, wherever is emphasizing that the police will catch him at the end. So, similarly, make at least 4 sentences for each.